Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And tonight I'm gonna drive the 2021 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Let's take you outside for see the lights. I like the nice design. They have the triple J pattern. Very nice. Got the hazard front lights. Ambered hazard lights and as well as the brake light. I like to show the brake lights on all my videos. Alright guys, let's take this on a night drive. Since this car is meant for gas saving, very conservative car, I'm gonna drive it very conservative. I'm gonna try to achieve a really high eco score. So here we go. Got our night backup camera. No trajectory lines. Yeah, I almost forgot to show you guys the interior lighting on this. Pretty good lighting. And also the brightness, dashboard brightness. Here you go to the lowest setting, and then the highest setting right here, which is really bright. It really hurts my eyes. So I keep it on the mid-range. Right about there. So let's go for a eco drive, guys. We have it on eco. I'll do an eco drive and then I'll test a little bit of the sound, because as you know, this car's not really meant for speed, so you know I'm not gonna floor it. Very nice and comfortable. So smooth. The turning is so smooth on this vehicle. I have to say, like, I've drove a lot of vehicles and this is one of the smoothest steering wheels that I've drove. It just goes wherever you put it. As you can see here, guys, the if you see our energy monitor system here, our engine is charging the battery right now, as you can see. And the miles per gallon, it says 58.1. I think the rating on this car is 52 on the city and 53 miles per gallon. I'm sorry, it's 53 on the city and 52 on the highway. but sometimes those numbers are not really accurate. As you can see, I'm averaging 58.1, which is highly above the MPG listed on paper. Test the audio system now, guys. Put the volume up. Alright guys, I cut it out because I connected it to Android Auto. And the Android Auto, it's not wireless, so you have to connect it via USB. So here's the maps at night, guys. Got our high beams. Reverse parking. And I'm going to check my score. So my eco score is, it's at 74. I guess when you idle it too much, it's your fuel economy goes down. So thanks for watching again, guys.